Hi everyone! Today we have a very practical video. I want to personally test pocket option for withdrawals because online there are a lot of reviews like they don't pay, it got stuck, the platform is scamming, people doubt it, and I often get messages. Hey, does pocket option actually pay? Can be trusted? Any issues with withdrawals? So I decided to do a simple test as a regular user. I'll trade a little and then step by step show how I withdraw money. No theory, no excuses, just facts. If you like this format, support the video with a like, subscribe, and yes, if you want to see these tests and trades regularly, not just once, I have a Telegram channel. Link is in the description. I post trades, analyses and lessons there regularly. So let's go! As you can see, my balance is 2000. I topped it up right here. Just to clarify, I'm using a decent amount, not a tiny sum, so no questions like you only added $20, that doesn't count. No, I'm testing it properly. I topped up via USDT tier C20. There are many options, as you can see, Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and so on. I chose USDT. I entered the amount and topped up. The system shows a QR code or an address to send funds to. I sent the USDT and the deposit took about 5 minutes from sending to appearing in my balance. So the deposit process is fast, no delays. Okay, deposit done, money is in the account. Next step, trading. We will start with the euro-dollar pair. I set a short time frame, 1 minute, to monitor the situation. The price is stabilizing, likely moving toward this high. I'll use the RSI indicator to roughly understand the market. It's around 50 now. Remember, if it hits 70, a downward reversal is possible. If it hits 20, an upward move is possible. Important point. It's stabilizing a bit now. Slightly down. Let's also check the hourly time frame. I have previous levels marked. I think it will move toward this level. Currently, slight downward movement. The candle should reach this level within the hour. On the 1 minute chart, it's around 50, slightly moving up. We can open a buy. Let's open. I'll wait a bit for the candle to dip slightly. It just moved up sharply, but now dipped a little and we can open. Candle shows good growth. I think we entered at the right time. The indicator confirms. Price should move toward this high, then maybe reverse, but I think it will close in profit. Logic is simple. We follow the trend, follow the indicator, and with candle behavior. Consecutive upward candles and overall trend up. Slight pullback down, ignore it. Price pulses upward, a good signal. Let's observe the impulse in seconds. See, it pulses. Slight dip now, but still time. An upward move, as we said. We followed the trend, determined the levels, and now we are going to close in profit. Excellent. First trade profitable. Indicator approach 70, potential reversal later. Closed in profit following the trend. Great. Moving to the second currency pair, don't forget to check the payout, 92 perfect. Let's see if there's a downward trend on the minute chart, hourly chart, waves, previous levels marked, price stabilizing, downward movement, reached previous RSI minimum, RSI near 30. I'll also use one more indicator, Bollinger Bands, lower band touched, possible reversal. I'll wait a bit for the dip, then open a buy. Price pulses slightly up. Here is the entry point. Price holding steady, reversal likely. RSI near 30. Chart indicates return to previous highs. Slight upward pulse. Low level holding, not dropping sharply. Good. Reversal likely, pointing to upward jump. Pair is calm, payout high, so trading carefully. It may slow or reverse, but Bollinger Bands confirm, so I entered. Indicators show everything. Trade closed in profit. Level holds, no break downward. When RSI reaches 30, likely a sharp jump to previous highs, marked levels. Second trade also profitable. For more, we are going for the third pair using same indicators. Third pair shows upward trend on the minute chart, aiming for these levels. Previous levels marked, some break lower, then return. Let's observe impulse. On the second chart, slight downward impulse. Bollinger Band show price crossing. Reversal likely soon. Indicator above 50. Small candles form up and down. Can buy after candle grows a bit. Price pulses slightly up. Didn't touch the level yet. Can open a buy. When it touches, a reversal possible. Price moving steadily up. Correct entry moment chosen. Entered when it started moving up. Reached 50 level, continues up, and opened our order. Determine trend, check time frames, indicators, give signals. Price crosses top band, good entry. When the lines changed and started moving up. Slight pullback, but trend looks stable. Choosing correct pair and trend matters. Indicators help as auxiliary tools. Trade closed in profit. Third trade successful. Entry based on indicators, trend confirmed, followed trend. Simple enough. 3 trades, all profitable. You see that. 2 indicators and technical analysis helped. Now about negative reviews, like cannot withdraw money. Common reasons: Verification. All platforms require ID verification. Without it, withdrawal may be paused. Standard procedure. The second one. Age. Under 18 cannot trade legally. Platform may restrict withdrawals. And third, rule violation. Multi-accounts, suspicious activity, bypassing limits can block withdrawal until resolved. And the fourth, bots and great scams. Using auto-trading tools or software against platform rules can lead to complaints. So the cause is rule violation, not platform issues. Therefore, when you see a negative review, remember that it does not mean withdrawals are not processed for everyone. More often, it is a specific issue related to individual user situation. Now, withdrawal test. My balance 2,550, leaving 2,000 deposit, withdrawing 550. Enter my wallet and amount. Continue. Request submitted. Platform says within a few business days. Standard message. Let's see actual timing. Phone recording on. Initial wallet balance 450. Time is 14:20. Wait. Money arrived in 20 minutes. New balance 1,014.40. Withdrawal works. Goal achieved. Money can be withdrawn. The platform works. I personally verified it as a regular user. I deposited 2,000, traded, withdrew the funds, and the money was received. Key point: follow basic rules. Verification, comply with platform regulations, avoid shady bots, trade within rules. If you want regular trades, analysis, and tests, join my Telegram, link in description. Constant updates. See you in next videos. Happy trading! Bye!